है मिलके करे वंदना हो.
Wow, Santa is singing carols.
Yes, as Christmas celebration is incomplete without carol songs.
So, let's listen to some more carols presented by our teachers.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Because you are so dear to us. May Santa Claus bring you a lot of gifts. May your home be full of peace and bliss. May baby Jesus shower abundant blessings on you. Presenting Christmas carols just for you.
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve,
पैदा हुआ।
झूमो नाचो खुशी से आज यीशु पैदा हुआ। झूमो नाचो खुशी से आज यीशु पैदा हुआ।
यीशु पैदा हुआ। यीशु पैदा हुआ। यीशु पैदा हुआ। खुशी से आज यीशु पैदा हुआ। झूमो नाचो खुशी से आज यीशु पैदा हुआ।
आपकी आंखों में जो भी हो सपने और दिल में है जो भी अभिलाषाएं, यह नव वर्ष कर जाए उन्हें सब सच। आपके लिए हमारी यही है शुभकामनाएं। विश यू ऑल मेरी क्रिसमस एंड अ प्रॉस्परस न्यू ईयर 2021।
Red is the color of love, anger, emotion, and positivity. So, let's hear some more significance of color red.
Everyone, I am a tomato. I am a red color. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Milo Pare. I am a heart. I supply red color blood into the whole body. Thank you. My name is Shazal Hussain. And I am cherry. I am cherry. And this red color fruit. Hello everyone. I am red color ladybug. I am a tank. Hello everyone. I am red pomegranate. I am fruit. Thank you. Hello everyone. I am red rose. I am red rose. I am red rose. Hello, I am Jabri. I look very beautiful. Everybody loves me. I am letting color. Hazel fruit. Bye. Thank you. Hello, my name is Wanda Dongle. I am a hibiscus flower. I am red in color and also known as flower.
Storytelling is the best way to convey a message to each other. So, let's enjoy the story of beautiful and prayerful family.
Children, meet Peter. He is a very prayerful and a happy man. He lives with his family, his wife Anna, his daughter Aiden, and his servant John. Let's see his story.
Anna, I am getting late for my office. Coming, Peter. Please bring me my coffee. I am getting late for office. John? Yes. Thank you so much, Anna. Coffee. Ask Aiden to get up and get ready for the school. Oh, yes. Come on, Peter. अच्छे से प्रेयर करो और अच्छे से दिल से प्रेयर करो तो जरूर आएंगे गॉड। या आफ्टर गेटिंग फ्रेश आई विल प्रे टू गॉड अगेन। ओके या Oh God, please come to my house. I want to see you. Please मेरे घर आइए भगवान जी। Peter. God, is that you? Yes, Peter. आपने बहुत अच्छी प्रेयर की, इसीलिए मैं तुमसे खुश हूँ और मैं तुम्हारे घर आने वाला हूँ। Really God? मैं तुमसे मिलने तुम्हारे घर आने वाला हूँ। Wow! Thank you God, thank you. Anna. Yes Peter. Anna, you won't believe. I spoke to God. मैंने भगवान से बातें किया। उन्होंने कहा है कि वो क्रिसमस में घर आने वाले हैं। Wow, that is a great news. Yes. Oh, we have to make so many preparations. Yeah, we will have to. Yes. Okay, come on. Aiden, where are you?
Yes, Mama.
Come on, we have to prepare for Christmas.
Yes, Mama.
God is coming to visit us.
God is coming.
Yes.
Wow. Come on,
Come on,
Papa. We'll
let's-
decorate the Christmas tree.
Yes, Anna, you make sweets with John. Okay, yes, come let's prepare. Wow, see what I've got. So many streamers. Wow, Anna, so glittery. Our Christmas tree will look beautiful. Our house will look very beautiful. Yes. God will be impressed.
Wow, Dada, it's looking so beautiful.
Yes,
Mama.
Aiden. I hope God will like it.
See, your Christmas tree is ready.
Wow, very nice. It's beautiful. And now I am going to put some sprinkles on the tree also. Okay, it's looking pretty. God will be very happy. Yes, and I will be very happy.
Wow, Dada, it's looking so nice.
Beautiful. Anna, keep this coat. For God, we'll gift him. Nice. Keep this sprinkler also. Okay. Come on, let's get ready. Yes, come let's get ready. Let's get ready. Peter, we are ready. Yes, even I am ready. Come on. Bring the dinner here. Oh, he's there. And bring the. Yes.
बाहर बहुत ठंड है, क्या मुझे गर्म कपड़े मिल सकते हैं?
नहीं नहीं, आज हमारे यहाँ गेस्ट आने वाले हैं। आप कल आना, आई विल गिव यू टुमारो। नो 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 नो, बाय। Yes, bring that coat here, John. Yeah, keep the coat for God. It is a very expensive coat. Yeah, keep it here. Wow, yes. John, I know.
मेरा बच्चा
Dish is
बहुत
ready.
भूखा है, मेरे बच्चे के लिए थोड़ा सा दूध मिल सकता है?
No, you come tomorrow. आज हमारे यहाँ गेस्ट आने वाले हैं. We are very excited. No, you come tomorrow. I'll give you tomorrow. What happened, Peter? Who was there? Arey, I don't know. How come if all the beggars are coming today to ask for milk and clothes? दो लोग आए जिन्होंने मुझे कोट और दूध मांगा. ऐसे कभी होता तो है नहीं. आज ही सब आ रहे हैं जब गॉड आने वाले हैं. I tell you. पर गॉड कब आएंगे? कितना लेट हो रहा है?
पापा, मुझे भूख लग रही है, कब आएगी गॉड?
Let's wait. Yes?
Excuse me, sir. रात बहुत हो गई और मेरी गाड़ी खराब हो गई। क्या
मुझे रात बिताने के लिए आपके घर में थोड़ा सा
No,
जगह
no, no,
मिलेगी?
no. You come tomorrow. We are waiting for God. We have got guests today to come. Bye, bye.
पापा गॉड आए क्या?
नहीं बेटा, अभी तक तो नहीं आए हैं.
मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है.
Oh God.
अच्छा,
So late. It's 12.
कब आएंगे पापा?
Anna, let's have dinner. It's too late. Yes, I think we should have dinner. Come on, let's come in. Maybe he'll come tomorrow.
डिनर के पहले एक बार और प्रेयर कर लो, हो सकता है गॉड आ जाए, तब तक हम तैयारी करते हैं.
ठीक है ना? I will pray once again.
जॉन, टेक दिस इनसाइड.
Oh God, I waited for you eagerly. मैं बहुत देर आपके लिए रुका रहा. आप मेरे घर क्यों नहीं आए?
जॉन, मैं आपके घर आया था.
कब?
मैं आया था पीटर, एक गरीब आदमी के रूप में जिसने तुमसे कपड़े मांगा था क्योंकि उसे ठंडी लग रही थी, पर तुमने मुझे जाने के लिए कहा. मैं दूसरी बार भी आया था पीटर, एक गरीब महिला के रूप में जो अपने बच्चे के लिए खाना मांग रही थी, पर तुमने मुझे कल आने के लिए कहा पीटर. मैं आया था पीटर, एक मुसाफिर के रूप में जिसकी गाड़ी तुम्हारे घर के सामने खराब हो गई थी और तुमने मुझे जाने के लिए कहा पीटर.
Oh God, मैंने कितनी बड़ी गलती कर दी. मुझे माफ कर दीजिए. मैं ये गलती सुधारूंगा. Anna, Aiden, John, you know what? मैंने अभी प्रेयर किया था और मुझे गॉड ने कहा कि मैं तुम्हारे घर आया था. कब आए थे? मुझे 3 लोग आज आए थे. वो गॉड के रूप में आए थे और हमने उन्हें जाने के लिए भेजा. मैं उनको ढूंढ के लेके आता हूँ.
ठीक है, हम सब रेडी कर रहे हैं.
Yes, yes. Anna, I've got guests. Please come. Please come. Sit, come. Anna, please bring the food. Aiden, give it to the uncle. John, bring from some breakfast. This is for you. And sir, you can stay here as much as you want. Please have. Let's celebrate. It's Christmas.
गॉड हर इंसान में है, हर बच्चे में है, हर जीव जंतु में है. जो भी मदद मांगने आए उनकी मदद करो. गॉड आपकी मदद करेगा.
Thank you.